Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to find the cube of certain set of numbers. And what do you mean by certain set of number? Like those numbers which starts with 1 or the numbers which ends with 1. Now, starts with 1 means maybe 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. And the numbers which ends with 1 is like maybe 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. So there's a very easy and distinct methods are there to find the cubes of these type of numbers. Let's see. And we start with the number 12. So the process is, you just write this 1 first, that is we have taken from this 1, and then write the number 2. That means this number, what we have just taken from the number itself. And then just keep on squaring the number. So what's the square of 2? It will be simply 4. And then the cube of the number. So here we made this square and we make it cube. So cube of this 2 will be 8. Okay. Now in below this 2, we'll make the double of this 2 number. So it will be 4, right? Double of this 2 will be 4. And below this 4, we again making the double. So double of this 4 will be 8. Okay. And now we are just adding them up. So here it will be 8. Here it will be 12. So 2 will be there and 1 will be carrying. So 1 will come here on top of this 2. Now this 1 plus 2 will be 3. And 3 plus 4 will be 7. And then 1 will just come here. So it will be the result of cube of 12. So cube of 12 will be 1728. Isn't it simple? Yeah, let's try with the another one. Next, we're going to just do it for 13. So what's the method? Method is simple, just 1 and then we write 3 and then the square of 3 will be 9 and then we go for the cube of 3. The cube of 3 will be 27. And then below this 3, the double of this 3, okay? So it will be 6. Now below this 9, we're making the double, so it will be 18. Now just add them up. So 7 will be here from this 7 and this 2 will be carry. So we just write 2 here, okay? Now 2 plus 9 will be 11. 11 plus 18 will be 29. So 9 will be there and 2 will be again carry in the next section. So 2 is here now, we have written. So 2 plus 5 will be, 2 plus 3 will be 5 and 5 plus 6 will be 11. So we write 1 here and 1 will be again carry. Now 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now this is the number what you've got. 2197 will be cube of 13. Okay. Now we can try for the another one also. Maybe 14. Now what's the process? Simply just write 1 here and this 4 will come here. Now square of this 4 will be 16 and then cube of this 4 will be 64. Okay. Now in below of this, you just write the double. So double of this 4 will be 8 and double of this 16 will be 32. Again, you have to just keep on adding up all the numbers. So 4 will be there and 6 will be top of this 6. Okay, because 16 is there, top of there will be 6 because it will be going carry. Now 6 plus 16 will be 22. 22 plus 32 will be, it will be 22 plus 30 will be 54, right? Now 5 will be again carry. We just write 5 here. Now 5 plus 4 will be 9. 9 plus 8 will be 17. 7 will be here and 1 will be again carry. So write 1 here. So result will be 2. Now the cube of this 14 will be equal to 2744. Okay. I guess you understood the method, right? Now try for the different numbers where 1 will come in the last. Okay. Just try with 21. So now in this case, what we'll do, we'll start from the right hand side. Previously we were starting from the left hand side. Now we'll start from the right hand side. So we'll write 1 here and then 2 here because 1 is there and 2 will be written here. Now again square of this 2 will be 4, and then cube of this 2 will be 8, and now double of the 2 will be 4, double of this 4 will be 8. Now just add them up. 1, 6, there will be 12, 1 will be carry, so write 1 here. Now 1 plus 8 will be 9, we'll write 9 here. So cube of this 21 will be equal to 9261. Okay, now try with the another problem, like 31 cube. Again we'll start from my right hand side. We write 1 here, then write 3 here. Now square of this 3 will be 9, and then cube of this 3 will be 27. Again make it double, so it will be 6, double of this 9 will be 18. Let's just add them up. 1, here will be 9, then 9 plus 8 will be 7, actually 17, then 1 will be carry here, so 1 plus 1 will be 2, so 2 will just come top of this 7, 2 plus 7 will be 9, and this 2 will be here. Okay, so this will be the cube of 31. Okay, now again go for this next one, maybe 41 cube. Again just 1 here, and then 4, then square of this 4 will be 16, cube of this 4 will be 64. Now double of this 4 will be 8, double of this 16 will be 32. Now just add them up, so it will be 1. Now 4 plus 8 will be 12, 1 will just go on carry, so 1 plus 6 will be 7, 7 plus 2 will be 9, and now here is 4 is there, 4 will go on carry, so you write 4 here on the top of this 4. Now 4 plus 4 will be 8, and then 6 will come here. So this will be the cube of 41. Okay, hope you guys understood the method. Thank you for listening, and if you like, you can subscribe the channel, because this type of Vedic method, different kind of mathematical problem will often upload in this channel. Thank you.